Salute, folks. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I'm returning today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. Today, I want to talk about basically product pushers or bullshit artists. But before I go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. So as we proceed to give you what you need. So I've been talking to people, and obviously I've been around this insurance world for, 2 decades now. And it's funny because I keep getting, right now, I have my niece who has a friend who's all into Dave Ramsey, and they're all into this term insurance thing, and da-da-da-da-da. And everybody's going to have their preference on a product. My problem is this. Suddenly you have agents who are term life agents and whole life agents. And that's bullshit. And so you'll get like even these professional, licensed financial professionals who are usually money managers, so they don't have their insurance license. They have things like their CFP, Certified Financial Planner, or their Series 65, which means they get paid off of things like assets under management, and they don't understand how insurance works. It's just like if somebody has a doctorate's degree, right? But they have a doctorate's degree, and their doctorate's degree is in dentistry. Well, they know how to fix teeth, but they don't know shit about how to deal with your heart or the human biology. So it's the same thing when it comes to these people who are other licensed financial professionals, but they don't have their insurance license. They don't know how the shit works. So they'll tell you some dumb shit like, oh yeah, whole life agents prefer for you to buy whole life because they get paid more. Yes, if you pay more into the policy, we get paid more. So let me explain to you people how this shit works. Okay? Insurance agents get paid a commission. Street level commission is generally 50% of what you pay for the year. So if you pay $100 a month, which is $1,200 a year, that agent gets $600 in their pocket. So yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I had a phone call. I don't even know where I left off with y'all. But like I was saying, it tends to be a lot of BS when people are telling you to buy a certain product. Oh, buy only term. I'm a term only agent, or I'm a whole life only agent. Well, that shit don't make no sense. They literally don't know what they're doing. The reason I say that is because regardless if you are a licensed agent, you can sell term or whole life. So again, the people saying, oh, well, whole life agents want you to buy whole life because they get paid more. Again, the industry standard is 50%. So if you pay $1,200 a year, the agent gets $600. That don't matter if it's term or whole life. Now, the only reason whole life, an agent who sold you a whole life policy would get paid more is because you paid more into the whole life policy. But if you come and you spend $500 a month on term insurance or $500 a month on whole life insurance, the agent gets paid exactly the same. So I don't understand where they go through all this nonsense about, oh, the agent gets paid more and da-da-da-da-da. That's stupid, because that's not how it works. That's somebody who doesn't know how it works trying to explain to you some nonsense that's untrue. Give me 1 second, guys. So the agent, like I said, industry average is 50%, no matter what product you sell. So the reason often agents tend to sell term is because you can buy a lower face amount. And with term policies, they generally have this thing called an instant decision, regardless of the carrier. What that does is generally you as the client won't have to go through medical exams. So the agent has a higher chance of getting paid. But I might find the graphic and put it in here. There's a Penn State University study that shows that 99% of term life insurance policies don't pay out. And that's usually because the policy lapses, right? They said it's not because people outlive the term, because that's what I was saying. I was like, all right, well, people are paying their insurance. They're just outliving the term. They said, no. what ends up happening is people lapse their policies. See, with a whole life policy, that's also part of the cash value. If you miss a payment, once you miss a payment on term, that policy cancels because there's nothing to hold it. So if it's December 31st and my payment is due on January 1st and 12 midnight hits, Happy New Year, by the way, and the ball drops and I didn't make my payment, and then January 2nd I die, there's nothing there for me. Now, with a whole life policy, if there's cash value, same scenario. December 31st, my payment is due. January 1st, I don't make the payment. But if there's cash value there, the policy won't just lapse. It will actually take from the cash value that's in the policy to pay itself. It's called, basically, the policy cannibalizes itself, right? So it doesn't matter what the agent sells, right? They get the same commission regardless. So what it is what's best for the client. Again, a lot of agents do term because they're not going to have to ask or answer a lot of the specific questions that you'll need to have answered. But the reality is the exact same product, no matter what you apply for. So that's going to be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.